You don't lack motivation. You don't lack talent. You don't even lack discipline. What you lack is control over your mornings. And that one mistake silently decides how tired, distracted, and unfulfilled your entire life feels. Every morning, before the world asks anything of you, your brain makes a decision. A decision that determines whether today moves you forward or keeps you stuck. Science shows that mornings aren't about willpower. They're about structure. And once you understand that, everything changes. Let's start with the foundation. Habit 1. Wake up at the same time every day. Not early, consistent. Your brain runs on rhythms. When your wake-up time changes daily, your focus, energy, and mood break down. But when you wake up at the same time, your mind learns stability. Consistency trains your internal clock. And when your body knows what to expect, it stops fighting you. Control the wake-up, control the system. Habit 2. Protect the first hour from your phone. The fastest way to lose your day is to give it away the moment you wake up. Notifications overload your brain with decisions before it's ready. That drains clarity, focus, and energy. Instead, delay stimulation. Hydrate. Expose your eyes to natural light. Handle simple physical actions. Winning the first hour isn't about productivity, it's about mental ownership. Habit 3. Move your body immediately. Stillness in the morning tells your brain to stay asleep. Movement tells it to wake up. Even a few minutes of motion increases oxygen, activates your nervous system, and sharpens attention. This isn't about fitness, it's about turning your mind on. Motion creates alertness. Alertness creates clarity. Clarity creates momentum. Habit 4. Start your day with protein, not sugar. High sugar mornings spike energy, then steal it back. Protein stabilizes blood sugar, supports focus, and keeps energy steady for hours. When your energy doesn't crash, your decisions don't either. Fuel your brain like it matters, because it does. Habit 5. Do the hardest task first. Your mental energy is highest in the morning. Every delay drains it. Avoiding discomfort feels safe, but it slowly trains your brain to escape effort. Facing the hardest task early builds confidence, momentum, and control. You don't need motivation. You need execution before your brain negotiates. These aren't just habits, they're signals. Signals to your brain that you are in control. Fix the morning and your day stops collapsing. Fix the day and your life starts moving. If this resonated, reflect on one habit you'll change tomorrow morning. And remember, your future isn't built in big moments, it's built quietly in the first hour, when no one is watching.